Okay, welcome guys. This is the installation instruction for the Revolvashade Centrepole umbrella. When you receive your umbrella, it is bubble wrapped like this here. Just open up the bubble wrap and the rest of it is fully assembled. Pop it up onto the base. And then once you have the bubble wrap up, you've got a strap like that. So open up the strap, put that aside for now. Loosen it up a little bit to make sure nothing is holding. So they're all nice and loose. And then by the short arms you find your winch handle. There might be a bit of bubble wrap that you can get up around there. And pop your handle on. And it's important for all umbrellas 5 meters or 4 meters square, the really large one, to help it in the first little bit. So start winding a little bit. That is going to start pulling these ones out a little bit. Ever so slightly until it starts. And when it starts, you can let it go. And you go all the way up until it's tight. So we want the canvas to be not overstretched, but tight. Around there, I'll test here a little bit. Yeah. That's it. So once you've got the umbrellas in place, turn them around to the position where you want them. And then we've got an extra hole in here. Come over here. There's an extra hole in here, it's a 12mm hole. So once the umbrella is in the right position where you want to lock it in, you have to drill through the base, and we've supplied an M12x90 with a null lock on either side. You put the bolt in and secure it through. That's it. Close the umbrella the exact same way. The umbrella should only be closed in really heavy winds, otherwise you can leave it up. It's basically the reversed. And then again at the last little bit, just help it a little. So it comes down nice and easy. Once the umbrella is down like that and you want to pack it away because of a possible storm, it is important to pull the fabrics out of the arms. So just walk around, get the fabrics out of the arms. Okay. And then the way we do it, just wrap these around the mast now that they're all on the outside. And then the strap that we've supplied goes around it. And now it's secured like a proper storm. If you don't pack it up, you risk that the arms flap and they rub on the fabric and they will leave marks, especially in a light umbrella. But if it's secured with the belt, you can handle now pretty much anything. That's it.